you do to my hair? Who knew that looking a mess could feel so good?